This video will show you how to perform smart snaps using palm control. It is recommended to fly in an open, unobstructed space. Unfold the arms. The aircraft will power on automatically. Press the mode button once to switch mode, including follow, droney, circle, rocket, spotlight, and custom. The aircraft can connect to the mobile app via Wi-Fi to set custom as direction track, helix, or boomerang. You can also adjust the parameters for each mode in the app accordingly before flight. Press the mode button to switch your desired mode, then press and hold to perform palm takeoff. The aircraft will announce the selected mode and parameters, and then take off automatically. During follow, the aircraft flies following you in the rear while recording automatically. The default follow distance is medium, about 3 meters, and the default follow height is flat, meaning it flies at shoulder level. During droney, the aircraft will keep the camera facing your original position. Record a video while flying backward, and then record another video while flying forward. During circle, the aircraft will keep the camera facing you. Fly backward to the preset distance, and then begin circling the subject once while recording automatically. During rocket, the aircraft will keep the camera facing your original position. Record a video while ascending, and then record another video while descending. During spotlight, the aircraft will hover after takeoff and record a video with the camera facing the subject. During direction track, the aircraft will confirm your movement after takeoff. When you are moving towards the aircraft, it will fly backward, following you from the front while recording automatically. To exit direction track, face the aircraft and stay still. It will fly back close to you. You can extend your arm and place the palm under it and wait for it to land. During helix, the aircraft will keep the camera facing you, fly backward to a location 2 meters from the takeoff point, and ascend while circling the subject once in a spiral curve while recording automatically. During boomerang, the aircraft will keep the camera facing the subject and fly along an oval path while recording automatically. Note that the aircraft will ascend and then descend while flying along the oval path, and will reach the max height when flying to the farthest point away from the takeoff point. After that, the aircraft will fly back close to the takeoff point and hover. You can walk close to it and perform a palm landing.